Good day, guys. Moving to a new PC doesn't mean you have to lose your emails, contacts, or calendar. Whether you're using a Microsoft 365 account or a traditional POP or IMAP setup, I'll show you the fastest way to transfer your Outlook data safely so you can pick up exactly where you left off. So first, just open up Outlook on your old computer, click File, then Account Settings. If your account is listed as Microsoft Exchange or Outlook, your data is already stored in the cloud. You just need to sign in on a new PC. If it says POP or IMAP, you'll need to manually export a PST file. To export, click File, then open an export and select Import and Export. Choose Export to a file and then select the PST file. Highlight your entire mailbox, make sure Include subfolders is checked, and save the file to a USB drive or a cloud service like OneDrive. And now plug that USB drive into your new computer, open Outlook and go to File, then open an export and select Import/Export again. This time choose Import from another program or file, select the PST file, and browse the file you just moved over. Follow the prompt to finish the import, and Outlook will begin processing the file, and you'll see your folders, emails, and contacts start to populate. Also keep in mind that email signatures and rules often don't move with the PST file. You'll need to copy your signature text from the old PC or rewrite it in the Signatures menu under Options. And this is how you move your entire digital office to a brand new machine. If this Outlook migration guide made your upgrade stress-free, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you keep your tech running smoothly. Stick around for more. See you soon.